Trade and voyage. As more and more goods and food was produced, trade expanded, people started undertaking long voyages. Voyages means journey by sea for trade and also to explore new lands. Evolution of means of transport. With the passage of time, people not only needed to travel more but also faster. These necessities led to new discoveries and inventions, which subsequently led to the development and evolution of different means of transport. The different means of transport can be divided into three types: land, water, and air. Land transport. Initially, people traveled by land. Later on, sledges were driven by animals. Still today, you can see bullock carts, tongas, or horses driven carts used in rural areas, which are cheaper and more available means of transport. Especially when you will go to villages, you will see bullock carts, tongas, and horses driven by carts. Bicycle was invented in 19th century. Even today, bicycles are popular among people because they are environmental friendly and do not pollute the atmosphere. Now, bicycle, they do not need any fuel, so they do not pollute the environment. They provide good exercise and therefore are good for the health. Bicycle is good for the exercise also, so cycling is good for health, and it is affordable. It is cheaper in comparison to other means of transport. With the invention of steam engine, there was a complete revolution in transportation. When the steam engine was invented, a great revolution came in transportation. They were dependable and could carry heavy loads much faster. The first locomotive to use power of steam was developed in England in the early 19th century. Later on, with the discovery of petrol and diesel, there was enormous changes in transport. Motorcycles, cars, buses, and trucks were developed. These vehicles have now become the primary mode of transportation all over the world. In a vast country like India, buses are an important means of transport within and outside the cities. Nowadays, there are luxury buses also that run within and outside the city. You can see luxury buses which run from within the city also, and it connects different cities of our country also. And are used by commuters regularly. There are good roads with flyovers and expressways which helps to speed up the movement of traffic. Nowadays, roads have been modernized, expressways and flyovers have been made which speed over the movement of traffic. Nowadays, vehicles that run on electricity had taken the place of steam locomotives and vehicles powered by petrol and diesel. So, when electricity came into use, so electric power is now used in place of steam locomotives or vehicles which is powered by petrol or diesel.